go and make something.
This one here is twisted. It's actually going to be a bit of an awkward one, and what I'm going to do is just put a wee bit of a chamfer on, or an angle cut on this bit here, just to help it wedge in a bit and tidy it up. There's no way I can straighten that, and there's 3 or 4 of them that I've just twisted over time, which is kind of annoying, but what can you do? Just a wee angle off there like that, and that will hopefully just help it that little bit. You spin it around so I'm going the right way. So we only want, that's like 5 degrees. Where's my earmuff? I could have put a little bit more angle on it, but oh well. Okay, the spacing on this one here is 211, so all we have to do is just mark 211, 422, 633, 844 and 1055, and we'll show you how I'll show you how we came out with the spacing on each one, because the spacing is just ever so slightly different on each one. We're talking a fraction millimeters. The difference between this one and this one is this one's got a 2 mil bigger gap than that one. If you can pick that up, since there's so many down points, it isn't, the illusion is that no one sees it.
To work out the spacing, you need to know a couple of things. First, how big the gap to fill. And in our example, this is 1060 millimeters or 1.60 m. You then need to know how wide are your palings that you're using. and in our case they're 150 millimeters. Finally, how many palings do you want in this gap? We want to use 5. The first figure we need to find is how much space overall is left if all the palings were side by side, and 2 quick calculations can give us this answer. The width of the palings times the number of palings required. In our case, 150 times 5 equals 750. The second calculation is overall space minus overall paling width. This is 1060 minus 750 equals 310. 310 is the number we need to divide to work out our spacing. Now with that figure we can work out the spacing, and since we are wanting 5 palings there will be 6 spaces. So that means 310 divided by 6 equals 51.6 repeat. We will round that to 51.7. 51.7 is our space. Now to work out our measurements, simply add this to the paling width, which is 150 plus 51.7 equals 201.7. So 201.7 is our spacing. Now you can quickly check your math by doing it in reverse. 201.7 times 5 equals 1008.5. Now we have to add on the 6th gap, which is 1008.5 plus 51.7 equals 1060.2. Now our 0.2 is a variant of our repeat that we rounded up, and if you can see 0.2 of a millimeter, you're doing very well. And that is how you work out your spacing.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can find us on Google+, Facebook, Pinterest and Twitter. Catch you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.